basically, instead of making a 90, we're making a little octagon.
Kind of do like
a little hook, little by little.
345s on there.
This is with the 16 thousandths wire. "58" long wire. That's what we're going to cut it. Keep one side through, wrap it around, the pin back around to the next pin, and then back through the bolt on the opposite side. And then he's going to make that same little shape at the end.
Instead of bending down,
a little shape, he's
you're
going
going to bend up.
He's going to bend
Hopefully get a better wrap.
up, because when we're wrapping in this direction, it should be more secure that way. This one's down over here. Yeah, this one's down, right? This way?
Yeah.
The wire needs to be wrapped around approximately 4 times.
Stood on the yeah, we'll just go back and do that.
One side is secure. Wrap it back around the pins. You gotta pull the wire down so that it's starting on that end. Wrapping it around to make sure that the wire doesn't overlap itself, or the little hook that you made that goes through the hole in the wire mold. And you're checking the tension on the 3 wires, that they're equal, and that the height of this wire, the distance between this wire and the harp is the same from one wire to the next and the last one that you just made. That way when your platen comes up, the product will all cut at the same time.